Unlocking the past. The meaning of archive. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a word that you might come across in libraries, computers, or even in your email: archive. It's a word that holds history, stories, and important information. So let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The word archive has a rich history. It comes from Greek, where archaea referred to public records. Today, archive refers to a collection of historical documents or records providing information about a place, institution, or group of people. These can be physical documents or digital ones. When we talk about an archive, we're talking about a treasure trove of information that has been preserved because it has value for future reference or research. Archive can be used as both a noun and a verb, and this versatility is what makes it such a useful word to know. As a noun, archive is a place or collection of records. For example, the National Archive houses all historical legal documents. As a verb, archive means to place or store something in an archive. For example, I will archive these files for later use. It's important to remember that when you're using archive in the past tense, it becomes archived. In our digital age, archive has taken on a new life in technology. Emails, social media, and file management systems all use the term to mean storing information so it doesn't clutter your current space but is kept safely for future access. For instance, I archived old emails to keep my inbox clean. The software automatically archives data that is over a year old. There are several common phrases and idioms that use the word archive, which can be helpful to know. Here are a few. Archive quality. This refers to materials that are good enough to be kept for a long time, often for preservation. Archive footage. Old film or video that is reused in a new production. To dig into the archives. A phrase meaning to look back through historical records or past information. And there you have it. The word archive connects us with the past and keeps our present organized for the future. We hope this video has enlightened you on the meaning of archive and how to use it. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to dig into the archives of language to discover more exciting words. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.